Okay, as promised, here we go on a test drive of the 1965 Volvo 122S. It has undergone a full restoration from ground up, which began 9 months ago. And I'd call it complete, but we're doing this test drive to see what else may need attention. We're at idle. I started it up, I don't know, a few minutes ago. It's pretty cold-blooded. It had to have the choke on for at least 5 minutes, but choke is all the way in now. And so let's see if we can go through the gears and see how she runs. Clutch in, first gear. Did do a little test drive a few days ago. Video wasn't super good. I'm a rookie at this video creation, but we did learn on that test drive the brakes needed a little adjusting. Steering was pretty sloppy, so I took some play out of the steering wheel. That seems a lot better. There's second gear. Speedometer works. Temp is pretty high. I'd call that pretty high. I'm hoping the thermostat isn't open yet and that drops down. Still idling pretty high too. Second gear. 15 miles an hour in this neighborhood, so we're not gonna put the hammer down just yet. I am not sure if the generator is producing output or not. When I put a meter on the battery with the engine running, I get like 12.5 volts. This is my only means of knowing output at the moment, but I've got 12.5 volts and it doesn't change very much even if I rev it up. So I fully rebuilt the old generator. It was pretty sad. Even had to splice some wires that broke, and to be honest, I'm not 100% confident I got that all right, but fan works and I can feel heat, so I know there's coolant going through the heater core, which is great news. Heater core was really sad. I flushed it and cleaned it for, I don't know, over an hour. So I think we've got heat. Fuel gauge works. Turn signals work, but this mechanism doesn't like to stay caught, and it's pretty spendy, so I haven't gotten a new one of those. Temp gauge seems to have come down a little bit. So heading out of the neighborhood, let's see if we can get all 4 gears. Clutch seems to work good.